Look who's here now. The sun. Off of all of that cloud. Hey, baby. Someone's got a little blanket because it's cold out here. It's cold out here. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Boy. Well, good morning. It's Monday. It does not feel like Monday. Felt more like yesterday was Monday, but it is Monday. It's Sunday. It's Monday. I took yesterday off from vlogging because I was really tired and I had a huge headache and I had the house to myself, so I just chilled out. Just relaxed. We're moving to.
Okay, take your stuff. We're obviously not that organized here. This. Take this.
I was sleeping and now look at my legs. I wonder how my face looks. I look fine ish. What a gorgeous evening. Woo woo. It is what? 8 o'clock. We are taking the babies for a nice stroll. It has been a very relaxing day for sure. Mom and I, we were out and not really about, we were just out enjoying the weather and reading outside and grounding and napping. And then we got home around 4:30, did more napping, and we've recently got up, had pasta for breakfast, and now we're taking the dogs out for a walk. And I believe Sequence is on the schedule for when we get home. So that'll be fun. Need to wake up a little bit for that. Maybe some hot chocolate or espresso, I don't know, something to help us with that. But yeah. So I'm newly single again. I had enough. I'm worth more than being ignored every weekend on the week. Like, there's no reason why someone can't talk to me on the weekends and fulfill plans that we make. You know what I mean? I deserve love and attention like everybody else. So with that, I hope you have an amazing night, and we'll see who wins. Mom will win tonight for sure. Right, Mom? She will win.
Got it?
Found a mother load, eh? Woo.
Look at how big these are too, because there's so many picks on.
Look at this. Mm. Yeah.
As a rabbit would probably go nuts.
So cute. Just eating.
Okay, come on, we'll go this way. Come on, this way. Come in, come. This way. Come on. Red.